How to shut down Windows 10 computer. So it is too much easy and simple. And just you have to click in the start, then after that just you have to click in the power icon, and just you have to click in the shutdown. Okay, so just click here in the power button, and you have to click in the shutdown. Okay, so now you can see here is a shutdown available. Otherwise you can directly press Alt plus F4, and now you can see here this window will pop up. Then from here you have to select the shutdown, and just you have to click in the OK. So in this way you can easily shut down your Windows 10 computer. So now you can see here it is shutting down, right? In this way you can also shut down your Windows 10 computer. So hoping that you get few ideas.